Hi, this is Mobasseri, CEO and co-founder of EM2 Distribution. We are an Australian company having branches globally in entire Asia, Pacific, and Middle East and Africa. We have three reasons to participate to GITEX this year. First of all, we have great experience in previous years joining GITEX. More than 10 years, a decade that we are going to GITEX. Secondly, this year it is happening alongside with EXPO 2020, so we're expecting more visitors to come over. And thirdly, we have a special agreement and collaboration with Dubai World Trade Center for GITEX 2020 to deliver some certified trainings as well as some workshops with collaboration with GITEX 2020. This year we're focusing a lot around critical infrastructure security solutions as well as education around emerging technologies like AI, data science, IoT, and cybersecurity. We are actually amazed, I think, after so many months, years that people haven't gone to any exhibition. We have seen a lot of quality visitors and a good crowd from first day, and now in the second day, of course, we really enjoyed talking to so many people, friends, colleagues, as well as customers and resellers. For sure, we want to make sure we gain more partnership with our resellers and expand our relations with them to different regions and different countries, as well as we're going to have some new happy customers as well.